So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money into Bitcoin Cash here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go ahead to the bottom and select Cash Out. Once you're here, I want you to go to where it says stake right here, because if you were to go down to the bottom and see crypto, you can actually only see Bitcoin, Litecoin, Solana, and Dogecoin. But if you want Bitcoin Cash specifically, scroll to the top here, press on stake. Now, once you're here, you can select the type of cryptocurrency that you actually want this to be. So if I were to scroll down to other, and it says Bitcoin Cash right here, the green icon, I'll select that. Now, once you're here, you can sign in through using stake. You can see the amount in Canadian dollars or whatever currency you're using. Go to the bottom. You'll see how much Bitcoin Cash you're receiving. And if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press withdraw, and move forward that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can withdraw money into Bitcoin Cash here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.